One flip of a switch and poof, light. But how are these glowing miracles made? Let's brighten up the facts. Silica sand is superheated and molded into the iconic bulb shape we all know. Tungsten wire is coiled into a filament. It glows white hot without melting. Metal supports secure the filament so it stays perfectly centered. Air is sucked out to prevent burning, then replaced with argon for efficiency. The glass is melted shut to keep the delicate environment inside intact. Each bulb is powered for hours to ensure perfect performance before packaging. Old school bulbs waste 90% of energy as heat. LEDs are the future. Bright idea, right? Drop a bulb in the comments. Want more factory secrets? Subscribe.